Hey guys, today we're going to talk about finding the lateral area. So the lateral area of a cylinder is the area of the curved surface, and it's a rectangle. And the formula that they gave us is right here. So it is 2 pi, my r, which is my radius, times my height, which is the h. So we're going to do that to answer example 1 down here. So for the cylinder below, find the exact lateral area. When it says exact, it wants us to leave it in terms of pi. So instead of having to use the pi button on a calculator or 3.14, we are just going to use pi and leave it kind of like as a tag along with everything else. So we're going to talk about lateral area right now, and that formula, again, remember, is 2 pi, my radius times my height. They gave us the radius. The radius is from the center of my circle all the way to the side, and they told me that was 3. And then they also gave me my height right here as 6. So my formula for lateral area will be my 2 pi times my radius of 3 times my height of 6. So times my height of 6. Because I am leaving everything in terms of pi, I don't really have to worry about pi. So what I'm going to do is multiply all the numbers that I can. So 2 times 3 times 6. So that gives me 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. And then I'm just going to leave the pi tacked on. So that will be my total, that'll be my lateral area.